shopping at the farmer's market.
Good morning. Everything looks so fresh and colorful here. The fruits and vegetables are bright.
Good morning. Thank you. We picked everything from our farm just yesterday morning. It's all natural, no chemicals.
That's wonderful. I like buying local food. I have a question about these apples on the table.
Sure, ask me. What kind are they? These are Honeycrisp apples.
Honeycrisp? They look red and shiny. Are they very sweet and crunchy?
Yes, they are very sweet and crunchy, perfect for eating fresh, like a snack at work or school.
They sound delicious. Are they good for baking a pie? I want to make one for my family this weekend.
They are okay for pie, but if you want the best pie with good taste, I recommend the Granny Smith apples over there on the other side.
The green ones? Aren't they very sour? I tried one once and it was too tart.
They are a little sour, but that's what you want for baking. When you add sugar and cook them, the flavor is perfect and balanced.
Oh, I see now. That's a great tip. Thank you. I didn't know that.
No problem at all. I've been baking pies for 30 years with my family recipes.
Then you are the expert. I will take your advice and buy the Granny Smith. How much are they?
They are $3 a pound. Very good price today.
Okay, can I get about 2 pounds, please? That should be enough for one pie.
You got it. I'll get you a bag and pick the best ones, no bruises. Anything else today?
Our carrots are the best this week. They're long and orange, fresh from the ground.
They do look good. I will take one bunch of carrots too, for a salad maybe.
Excellent choice. They're sweet. So that's 2 pounds of apples and 1 bunch of carrots.
That is everything, thank you. How much total?
All right, your total is $8.50. Pay with cash or card.
Here you go, $10.
Keep the change. Thank you. Enjoy your baking. Add some cinnamon for extra taste.
I will. Thanks again for the great advice.
Anytime. Have a wonderful day at the market.
Visiting the veterinarian.
Good morning, Mr. Jones. And hello, Rocky. You look cute today. Please, come on into the room.
Good morning, Dr. Chen. Rocky is a little nervous today. He was shaking in the car.
Don't worry, boy. We'll take good care of you with gentle hands. So, are we here for a regular checkup?
Yes, it's time for his yearly exam. We come every year, but I also have a small question about his health.
Of course. Let's get him on the exam table first. He can sit or stand. What's on your mind? Tell me the problem.
He hasn't been eating his food very much for the past 2 days. Usually, he eats everything fast.
I see. That's not normal. Has he been drinking water normally? Check his bowl.
Yes, he drinks plenty of water every day. He just doesn't seem interested in his food bowl.
Okay, let me do a quick exam and see how he is. I'll listen to his heart and look inside. Well, his heart sounds strong and healthy. His ears are clean, no dirt. Let me check his teeth now. Ah, I think I see the problem. It looks like one of his back teeth is red and bothering him.
A toothache? Oh, the poor guy. He must be in pain.
It's a common problem for dogs like him. It's not serious, but it can make it uncomfortable for him to eat hard food.
So that's why he is not eating. It makes sense now. What can we do to help him?
I can give him some medicine for the pain today, and we should schedule a dental cleaning for him next week to fix it properly.
Okay, a dental cleaning sounds like a good idea. How long does it take?
About 1 hour. For now, try giving him some soft food instead of the hard kibble, like canned dog food or wet ones.
That will be easier for him to eat. That makes perfect sense. I will buy some soft food on my way home from the pet store.
Great. He should be back to normal in no time with the medicine. Give it with food.
Thank you so much, doctor. I feel much better now. I was worried it was something bad.
My pleasure. You can make the appointment for the cleaning at the front desk with the receptionist.
I will do that now. Thank you again.
Take care, Mr. Jones. Feel better, Rocky. Here's a treat for you.
Evening at the cinema.
Hello. Welcome to the Grand Cinema. We have big screens and comfortable seats. Which movie would you like to see today?
Hi. 2 tickets for King of the Jungle, please. It's an adventure movie about animals.
Of course. And which showtime do you want? We have a show at 7 p.m. and another at 9:30 p.m.
What time is it now? I left my watch at home.
It's 6:45 p.m. right now. The next show starts soon.
Okay. The 7 p.m. show is perfect. We have just enough time to buy snacks. Great.
For that show, we have assigned seating. You choose your seats on this computer screen here.
Oh, okay. It looks like the theater is pretty empty. Not many people.
Yes, it's a Thursday night, so it's not too busy. Weekends are more crowded. The blue seats are open and free.
Where are the best seats? We don't like to be too close to the front because it hurts our necks.
I recommend a seat in the middle, in row F or G. You get the best view and sound there. Not too far or too close.
Okay. I will choose these 2 seats right here, in the middle of row G. They look good.
Excellent choice. So 2 adult tickets for King of the Jungle at 7 p.m. Is that correct?
Yes, that's it. How much is that in total?
Your total is $25. You can pay here.
Do you sell popcorn and drinks here? We want something to eat during the movie.
We do. The concession stand is right behind you. You can buy snacks like popcorn, soda, and candy after this.
Perfect. Here is my credit card. Please process it.
Thank you. Here are your tickets. Your theater is number 5, down the hall to the left. It's easy to find.
Thank you so much for your help. You made it simple.
It's my pleasure. Enjoy the show. I hope you like the movie.
Enrolling in a fitness center.
Good morning. Welcome to Carolina Fitness. We have many machines and classes. How can I help you today?
Hi, I live in the neighborhood just 2 blocks away, and I am interested in joining your gym to get healthy.
That's great. We are always happy to have new members from the area. Do you have any questions, or would you like a tour of the place?
I'd like to ask a few questions first. How much is a monthly membership? I want to know the price.
Our standard membership is $40 per month. That gives you access to all of our cardio machines like treadmills and weight equipment for lifting.
Okay, that sounds reasonable. And do you offer any fitness classes like yoga or dance? I like group activities.
We do. We have a premium membership for $60 a month that includes all of our classes, such as yoga twice a week.
That sounds interesting. I can try yoga. What are your hours? I work late sometimes until 8 p.m.
We are open 24 hours a day during the week from Monday to Friday and from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. on weekends. You can come anytime.
24 hours? That's amazing. That really fits my schedule because I can go early or late.
We try to make it convenient for everyone, especially busy people like you. Is there a contract or can I pay month by month without signing a long paper?
There is no contract. You can cancel at any time if you need to. We like to keep things simple and easy.
You have an answer for everything. This sounds like a great gym with nice people.
We think so. Would you like that tour now? I can show you the yoga studio and other rooms.
Yes, please. I would love to see it before I decide.
Great. Follow me this way. The weight room is on your left with free weights and machines. And right past it is our cardio cinema.
A cardio cinema? What's that? It sounds fun.
You can watch a movie on a big screen while you run on the treadmill or bike. It makes exercise less boring.
Wow, that's a cool idea. I can watch my favorite films.
And here is our yoga studio. It's big with mats and mirrors. The next class starts in an hour at 10 a.m.
It's beautiful and so peaceful with soft lights. Okay, I'm sold. I'd like to sign up for the premium membership today.
Excellent choice. Let's go back to the front desk and get you started with the form.
Visiting the auto shop.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to our shop. How can I help you today with your car?
Hi, I need to have my car looked at. It's making a funny noise when I drive.
Okay. Can you describe the noise more? Is it loud or soft? When does it happen?
It's a loud squeaking sound, like metal rubbing. I only hear it when I press the brakes to stop.
A squeak when you brake. Got it. That usually means you need new brake pads. It's common after many miles.
Is that a big job? I am worried it will be very expensive, like hundreds of dollars.
Don't worry. It's a very common repair for cars. It's usually not too costly, maybe $100 to $200 depending on the parts.
That's a relief. I can afford that. How long will it take to fix? I need my car for work tomorrow morning.
I understand. We'll need to put the car on the lift to be sure and check everything. We will take a look at it right away today.
So you can fix it today? That would be great.
That's the plan. First, we will do a free inspection, no cost for looking. Then I will call you and tell you the exact cost and time.
You will call me with the price before you fix it, so I can say yes or no?
Yes, always. We don't do any work until you say it's okay and agree. We are very honest here.
That is great to hear. I trust you more now. Thank you.
Can I get your name and phone number to call you?
Yes, my name is Linda, and my number is 555-0123. Call me on my mobile.
Okay, Linda. I will call you in about an hour after we look at it under the car.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate your quick help.
It's our job. We'll get your car safe and back on the road soon. No driving with bad brakes.
I'll wait for your call outside. Maybe get coffee.
Sounds good. We'll talk to you soon.